Welcome to Music Lessons with MusiKon Productions. My name is Waldo Diaz, and this is our free music lesson for you. Welcome to the Workstation, where we'll be talking about the theory applied to your practice. We will be learning today the musical notes on the staff. Previously, we learned some chords for us to identify the notes on the piano. However, today we're gonna learn a different song. Before we start with the notes on the staff, we need to know what the staff is. As we can see, the staff is made out of 5 lines and 4 spaces, and we count them from bottom to top. Therefore, this is line number 1, line number 2, 3, 4, and 5. The same happens here. And the spaces are number 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are clefs. The treble clef for the right hand and the bass clef for the left hand. G clef and F clef. Now let's get right into the notes. This is middle C for the right hand. However, for the left hand it's gonna be the same. It's just that it looks like a little bit closer to the bass clef or the left hand. It's the common note. It's only that can be played with either right hand or left hand. I always ask my students, that is middle C for right hand or left hand, because there are other C's throughout the keyboard. It's a point of reference, and it always reminds you that that's gonna be the center of the piano. Middle C has the stick in the middle. Then after that is coming D. It goes up. We go on the right on the piano, right? And the notes, as you can see, go higher. So to the right is gonna be higher in the piano, to the left is gonna be lower. On the staff, higher and lower. Okay? So C, D, E is gonna be the first line. Then F, G is gonna be the second line. Let's learn them up to there for the right hand. Again, middle C for the right hand with the stick in the middle. Now outside, no stick in the middle. We continue with the right hand. Then D is outside, but no stick in the middle. Then first line, remember this. How do you spell me? M-E. Me. Who wants to be the first in everything? To be really good at what you do? Me. So E, the first line from bottom to top. Remember, we count the lines and spaces from bottom to top. First line for right hand is gonna be E. Me. First space is gonna be F. Second line is gonna be G. Treble clef starts in second line. It's also known as G clef. Therefore, that second line is gonna be called the same way, G. Let's review now. Then it's gonna be middle C for right hand with the stick in the middle. Outside, stick in the middle. Then D, outside, no stick in the middle. E, first line. Me, first, of course. And then first space. It's not a line, it's the space. F. Then G, second line. Because there is where you start drawing the treble clef. With the left hand now, it's gonna be the same C. Middle C for left hand. B, outside, no stick in the middle. It's going down this time, not going up. A. What line number is this one? And it's number 5. 5 is the last line. Now the last is gonna be the first letter of the alphabet. So it's gonna be A. And before A, in music is coming G. The bass clef is also known as F clef. When we draw the bass clef, we start in the 4th line. That is why this line is also called F. Review. Middle C for the left hand. B outside, no stick in the middle because it's B4C going down. A, last line, first letter, A. Then it's G, and then it's F because of the bass clef or F clef. In the previous lesson, we learned some basic chords. Today, we're gonna learn a different song. However, we're gonna use the same chords in a different way. This song is Let It Be. The first chord is gonna be C, major chord. Going higher now it's gonna be G. Then it's gonna be A. Then it's gonna be F major. And then C major again. And then G major. And then F major, E minor, D minor, C major. Okay, this is F major, this is E minor, because it sounds sad. D minor, and then C major. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. That is the first verse. Second part, and this is the chorus. It's gonna be, let it be, A minor, let it be, G major, let it be, F major, let it be, C. We repeat C, speaking words of wisdom, G, and then let it be. And we recognize that pattern from the previous part of the song, the verse. Tip for you, every time you find a music score, try to identify those notes that you already know. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to set up during the day just 10 minutes to go over your music challenges. And then in about a week, you'll be mastering your knowledge. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Wish you a happy practice and see you in the next class with MusiKon Productions.